Hello everyone. We are going to be testing the torque. We have the vintage Craftsman. We have the Pittsburgh Pro, all 1/2-inch drive. We have the Pittsburgh 1/2-inch breaker bar. Then we have the custom 1/2-inch Pittsburgh Pro that I made. I have it set to 75 pounds of torque. It will beep when we get to it. Yep, set to 75. I won't be able to see it. It'll be all you guys. And we're going to be just testing and see how the ratchets feel. Be pulling on them. See how much of my strength it takes to okay, we get the memory off. Okay. See how much it takes of my strength to get it there. Okay. 75 is not bad. Vintage Craftsman Pro. I said 71.
Problem they've never run into before by having a
yeah, 75 is nothing for these bars. Okay, we're going to bring up to 100.
Give me a second. This is just all how big alive. All the stuff that gets edited out of the
Bringing up to 100 pounds of torque. Foot-pounds. Okay, roughly anyway. Close enough. Yeah, see how the vintage Craftsman feels. Not so bad. This one definitely feels more comfortable in the hand. Not really nothing. That was nothing at all. Okay. We're going to bring it to 150. That's 150 foot-pounds of torque. Let's see what she does. Maybe I should have read the directions on this.
Well, the vice survived. I guess that's a good thing. This was supposed to be an all-day problem. Or all-day build, but I guess. So it's awfully short live stream. Well, I'm going to make some repairs, and then I guess we'll continue it after I solve this issue. So thank you guys for watching. I'll keep you updated on the problem.
See what she said at? She said at 153.4. You could definitely feel at 150 pounds with that. Not so bad with that. Now we're at the big breaker bar. That's easy as pie. That was like nothing. Okay. We're going to take it to 175-ish. Wherever it stops, it stops. Okay, we're at 178.8. $178.8. Oh, that was a struggle. I had to grind the sides of the socket and square it off. Oh. Yeah, that's pretty hard with it like that. Well, I don't want to do that. I'm cheating. Let's get back over here. Oh, it went off. We break it. Okay, 178.8. That's not bad. Again, I can't see the numbers, so not bad. Okay, we're leaving them two out of it. We're just going to use the breaker bars now. Bring up to 200. At 200.2. So now we're just using the breaker bar and we're using the custom. The other two ratchets, the Craftsman was really hard and the Pittsburgh Pro was getting there. Not bad. That's like nothing with this thing. Okay. And we're going to bring it up to just about 250. That's max this goes. Okay, we're at 249.2. What is set? Okay, let's see how the breaker bar feels. I'm actually looking at it. Well, that went to 200. And as you see, the lights start moving. It definitely feels a lot better at this. Head's still tight. Okay, so we know it does 200. And we are set to 249. Let's try to do I'm just straightening the socket up a little bit. We're straighten the vise up a little bit. Maybe counter do it a little bit. Okay, we're going to put this back on here. And we are going to see if we can get it to the 250 here on this vise. Okay, so the vise is definitely going to move. We need a bigger cheater. I'll straighten the pin out later. That's not the first time that pin's been bent. Make sure the thing is in view. All right. Oh, 229. $221. And we are at the point where we're turning the square off socket in this place. Yeah, let's just turn in the socket, folks. Well, as you see, the head held up, 200 and plus, still tight. Gears still work. Everything still functions on the homemade ratchet. You see where I squared it off? But I figured I should have video on it. I give this thing some props. It actually held up. It's a cool little tool. But that's for today. Later, folks. Don't forget to sub. Don't forget to leave a comment, like it, give me a thumbs down if you don't. Later.